Hello, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to remove and replace the holder on the easy35 units. You'll need the easy35 body. You can either do this on the tubes and lens if you want, or you can take it off like this. And then you'll need the Allen key that comes with the easy35. So on the opposite side of this thumb screw there's an hex screw. Insert the Allen key and rotate it, loosening it. You'll see that the holder comes out. It only comes out in one direction, towards this divot here, meant for your fingers. You can also see on the holders they have an arrow. So when you're ready to replace the holder, you insert the holder from the side with the divot, with the arrow first, all the way in. It will stop, it doesn't go through. And then you can lock it with the Allen key. When you're locking it, make sure you don't over tighten the holder. You will squeeze the holder on the inside and bend it. So just rotate it, quarter turn, and then feel that the holder settles in place and doesn't come out. That's how to change the holder on the easy35.